Here I am at the Fenelon Lock number 34. Look real quick, the boats are going down into the lock. Can you see them going down? It's really neat to watch. There's 4 boats in there right now. I think it can hold 6 kind of small boats, and that's where the big cruise boat goes through. And there's one from Peterborough that has a little front end drops down, or the back end, I'm not sure which one, but it's big. You should come and see this lock, it's really cool. It's one of the deepest ones in the Trent system. See all the boats down in the lock? Look how deep it is. Can you see? It's kind of scary for a little mouse. That's really deep for me. Water's gone down. Look at all the boats are coming out of the lock now. The gates are open. Here they come. Look how deep it is.